Hello, my name is Jerry. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a knotter on a 2006 offset. The tools you will need is a pair of safety glasses, a 4mm Allen wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, and for our offset it's a 13mm wrench. On a standard machine it's a 1/2-inch wrench. Turn power off to the machine and disconnect and remove the stainless steel table. Open the front panel to the machine. Remove the two bolts with a 13mm wrench. Remove the knotter housing, watching out for the sensor, and just pivot it off. Remove this screw. Remove the knotter gear. And then the knotter you will be able to remove. To reassemble, insert the new knotter with the roller facing you. Reinstall the knotter gear and screw. Tighten the screw. To reinstall the knotter housing, it is important that the flat of this gear be facing like that. Now you can reinstall the knotter housing. Tighten both screws or bolts. When the knotter's installed, their knotter beak should be facing towards you with a little bit of gear lash.